Hi, mathematician superstars. Our first drill today, we are going to practice using quick tens to show double-digit numbers. I'm going to write a number, and you say it. What is the number? Correct, 27. So I'm going to use the quick draw strategy to show 27. Remember, when we draw a 10, we just draw a straight line. There's one 10, two tens, and then I'm going to draw 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have the number 27. How many tens are in 27? Correct. 2 tens. And how many ones? 7. So now, your turn. I'm going to put another number, and I'd like you to draw it on your paper or on your whiteboard. Let's try the number 18. Okay, go ahead and draw 18 using a quick 10 and the ones on your board. So I have 1 10. And how many ones did you draw? If you said 8, you are correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 1 10 and 8 ones make the number 18. So I could say 10 plus 8 equals 18, or 8 plus 10 equals 18. Let's do some more. On your board, go ahead and show me with your model this number. So, how many tens are in 39? If you said 3 tens, you are correct. 10, 20, 30, or 3 tenths. How many ones are in 39? Correct, 9. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the number 39 has 3 tens and 9 ones. The value of this 3 tens we know is 30. 3 in the tens place make 30 ones. So I can say that 30 plus 9 equals 39, or 9 plus 30 equals 39. You ready to try some more? Let's go a little bit faster. What is that number? If you said 12, you are correct. How many tens are in 12? 1 10. And how many ones are in 12? 2 ones. So we have 1 10 and 2 ones makes 12. Remember, the value of the 1 in the tens place is 10. I have 10, 11, 12. So I can say 10 plus 2 is 12, or 2 plus 10 is 12. Let's try this number. What is the number? You are correct, 6. So when I do a quick draw, do I have any numeral in the tens place? No, there are no tens, but there are 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more makes 6. Remember, it's easier to organize a group of 5, so you see it quickly. You can count that 5, 6. So in the number 6, there are 0 tens and 6 ones. Let's try the number 30. The number is 30. Go ahead and draw your quick tens and your ones. How many tens did you put? How many 10 sticks? If you said 3, you are correct. There are 3 tens and 0 ones. So 30 plus 0 equals 30, or 0 plus 30 equals 30. You could also say 3 tens plus 0 equals 30. Great job. Now we're going to get ready to do a different activity. This is another thing that they showed us in the video that I wanted to practice. We're going to look at numbers and we're going to find different ways of writing them. So superstars, what is this number? Correct. If you said 22, you are correct. I have my tens and ones blocks. I have 2 tens and 2 ones. I can decompose 22. I know that it's 20 plus 2. 20 plus 2 makes 22. So I'm going to write 22 in my tens frame. What number am I going to put in the tens? If you said 2, you are correct. Well, what number am I going to put in the ones? If you said 2, you are correct. So there are 2 tens and 2 ones. That makes the number 22. Now, if I broke all of these blocks apart, I would have all ones blocks. So I could say that 2 tens and 2 ones is the same as 22 ones. Let's try another number. Here is the number. Okay, so what is my number, superstars? If you said 13, you are correct. I have how many in the tens place? I have 1 10. And how many in the ones place? 3 ones. 13. 1 10 and 3 ones. Remember, if I decompose it, 13 is the same as 10 plus 3. 10 ones plus 3 ones makes 13. I can also say this a different way. I could break apart all of the tens blocks and I would now have 13 ones. The last number is here. Before I get the number, can you tell me what number that is? If you said 35, you are correct. There is how many in the tens place? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 10 sticks. 10, 20, 30. And how many ones? There are 5 ones. And what number does that make? 35. If I decompose 35, remember that's 30 plus 5 make 35. Or I could switch it and say 5 plus 30 makes 35. So this last one, I'm going to actually break apart all of my blocks. So if I break these all apart, I counted them. How many ones would I have? So I'm decomposing all of these 10 sticks, and I would have how many ones? If you said 35 ones, you are correct. Great job, superstars.